welcome to the lab. Today is day 487 and we are opening another pack of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. Oh, hold on. There we go. Alright, so we are starting out with a break at the Hot Springs Rimuru. Which one do you choose? Rimuru. Next, Fierce Rivalry Shion. We've got Orcs, Sensible Rigor, next Master Hakaru. Alright, looks like we've got Last Ditch Effort, and we are ending on, okay, Achieving Vindication, Shion. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you again tomorrow for another pack a day. Till then, please be safe and take care.